The Intex PureSpa Plus? The Bestway Miami? Or WEJOY AquaSpa? Perhaps the Coleman Atlantis or the SereneLife EZ Rest? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 inflatable hot tubs available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best inflatable hot tubs. The 5th product on this list is the WEJOY AquaSpa. With tens of thousands of boards sold worldwide, you can rest assured that the WEJOY AquaSpa sets the standard for quality and fun. This inflatable hot tub offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Immerse yourself in a tranquil, hydrotherapeutic massage with its 120 surrounding air jets and automatic preheating system. Enjoy a soak in clean, fresh water free from chemicals or bacteria, thanks to its integrated water filtering system. Just like the other models on our list, the WEJOY AquaSpa features a user-friendly digital control panel that allows you to effortlessly adjust the temperature and activate the jets with a simple touch. It even provides handy notifications for filter cartridge replacement and hot tub servicing. What's more, this inflatable hot tub is crafted from puncture-resistant PVC material, ensuring not only strength and durability, but also an added layer of protection against potential rips and tears. With the included ground sheet, you can step in and out of the tub without worrying about making a mess. Assembly and inflation of this inflatable hot tub are incredibly straightforward, and the zip cover makes storage a breeze. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for enjoying on your deck or patio. With a water capacity of 158 gallons, it's an ideal size for 2 to 3 people to relax and unwind. And to provide you with peace of mind, the company offers a generous 1-year limited warranty. Indulge in the ultimate relaxation and pleasure with the WEJOY AquaSpa. Trust in its quality, convenience, and the soothing experience it delivers. This inflatable hot tub is designed for your enjoyment and is backed by a warranty that instills confidence. Upgrade your relaxation game with the WEJOY AquaSpa and create unforgettable moments of bliss. Its pros are: it uses 2 filters that work at the same time to keep the powerful water circulation going while also ensuring it's fresh as possible. It features a fast heating mechanism that is very convenient, and it is extremely easy to set up and maintain. However, it does not come with extra patches in case of a puncture. The WEJOY inflatable hot tub is ideal for unwinding after a long day at work. It comes with everything you need to start your afternoon in a serene way. Up next in 4th place is the SereneLife EZ Rest. In our fast-paced world, it's essential for everyone to find time to unwind, and the SereneLife EZ Rest is here to make that experience even more enjoyable. This inflatable hot tub offers a plethora of unique features that are sure to capture your heart. Whether you're hosting a party or simply seeking leisure, this hot tub is the perfect way to elevate your outdoor experience with a touch of style. One standout feature of this model is its high-powered 100 bubble jet massage technology. Immerse yourself in a soothing therapeutic massage that helps relieve tension, reduce anxiety, improve blood circulation, and relax stiff joints and muscles. Crafted from long-lasting PVC material, this tub is designed to withstand fading and rusting, ensuring exceptional durability, strength, and performance. With its double tube heater, it will maintain a cozy temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, providing warmth and comfort even in freezing conditions. Managing your hot tub experience is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly digital control panel and convenient remote control. Easily adjust the water temperature, activate the massage function, and control the jets to customize your relaxation. You will also love the mesmerizing LED lights with 7 different colors to choose from. The tub illuminates in a tranquil ambience that will make you forget about your hectic day and transport you to a luxurious spa-like environment. So take a step back from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in pure relaxation and luxury with the SereneLife EZ Rest. Its pros are: it is made with high-quality laminated and durable PVC construction material to withstand years of repeated use. It features an intuitive control panel for easy operation, and it comes complete with a filter, inflatable hose, ground pad, repair kit, remote control, and LED light. However, its heating element isn't the strongest, so you need to wait a while before it gets up to a comfortable temperature. The SereneLife inflatable hot tub is an excellent way to unwind and enjoy with friends and family. It's a top-rated bubbling massage system that will relieve your pains while also reducing tension and improving sleep. Still haven't found an inflatable hot tub that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Bestway SaluSpa Miami. If you're searching for a low-maintenance hot tub that brings relaxation to your fingertips, look no further than the Bestway SaluSpa Miami. Designed with convenience in mind, this inflatable hot tub offers a delightful experience for up to 4 people, thanks to its 120 bubble jets that create a soothing massage sensation. With a maximum water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit and a power-saving timer that allows you to schedule temperature adjustments up to 40 days in advance, you can enjoy your ideal hot tub experience while minimizing energy consumption. Managing your hot tub has never been easier thanks to the user-friendly digital control panel. From the comfort of your tub, you can effortlessly regulate the water temperature and customize the massaging system for ultimate comfort. With its adjustable and retractable design, there's no need to leave the tub to make changes, ensuring the water stays where it belongs and electrical components remain protected. Plus, the control panel even includes a cup holder and a spacious flat area where you can safely place your belongings such as keys, watches, and phones while you unwind. What's more, crafted with durability in mind, this hot tub is made of tri-tech material and features an I-beam structure, ensuring resistance against stretching and providing a sturdy foundation for years of use. Accidental punctures or leaks are no match for this robust construction. Additionally, the Freeze Shield function safeguards the inner components and liner by maintaining them just above freezing temperature, protecting them from potential damage. Maintaining crystal clear water is a breeze too, thanks to its ChemConnect chemical dispenser and an innovative filter cartridge that works in tandem to prevent hard water buildup, keeping your water clean, clear, and fresh. With minimal effort, you can enjoy a hassle-free hot tub experience. Thanks to the Bestway hot tub, you can indulge in relaxation without the stress of high maintenance in the comfort of your own backyard. Its pros are: it comes with an air pump that makes inflation and deflation hassle-free. It has a handy holder for keys and cups. And it comes with a cover that prevents dust and debris from getting inside while protecting the tub from harmful UV rays. However, its filter's digital panel may be hard to reach while sitting. The Bestway SaluSpa Miami strikes the ideal blend of features and value for its price. You'll definitely receive total relaxation when you slip into the soothing portable hot tub after an exhausting day. The second product on this list is the Coleman Atlantis SaluSpa. This next hot tub offers an incredible way to unwind and escape the daily grind without the need for frequent spa visits. Immerse yourself in relaxation with over 100 bubble jets that provide a soothing massage, melting away muscle tension and promoting a sense of calm. With a maximum temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, this hot tub is perfect for both relaxation and therapeutic purposes. Take full control of your hot tub experience with the automated control panel. Easily adjust the temperature and bubble intensity to your liking, and set convenient timers to ensure the heat is ready when you need it. The ChemConnect chemical dispenser is a game changer, as it effectively distributes chlorine throughout the tub, eliminating bacteria and keeping your water pristine and odor-free. Unlike other inflatable tubs, this model prioritizes safety, maintaining a consistent water temperature while preventing dirt and debris from entering and clogging the filters. Durability is a key feature of the Coleman SaluSpa. That's why it is crafted from puncture-resistant PVC and reinforced with an I-beam structure. This tub is built to withstand the test of time. Inflation and deflation are a breeze too, thanks to the included air pump simplifying the setup and takedown. And when it's time to empty the tub, the easy-to-use drain valve allows for quick and hassle-free water removal, making storage a breeze. With ample space for 4 people, this inflatable hot tub is the perfect addition to your outdoor gatherings, adding a touch of elegance and excitement to any occasion. So why wait? Create unforgettable moments and transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis with this exceptional hot tub. Its pros are: it features high-powered bubble jets for a soothing massage, it features Tri-Tech 3-ply inflated walls for durability and comfort, and it has a reinforced cover with safety lock clips and a built-in air chamber for insulation. However, it cannot operate under 39 degrees Fahrenheit. The Coleman Atlantis SaluSpa has everything you love about hot tubs, but in a far more portable, affordable, and appealing package. It is ideal for people who want to unwind in their very own personal home spa. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best inflatable hot tub is the Intex PureSpa Plus. Looking for the ultimate inflatable hot tub that ticks all the boxes? Look no further than the Intex PureSpa Plus. This top-of-the-line hot tub is designed to provide you with unparalleled relaxation and convenience, making it the best choice on the market today. Constructed with FiberTech technology and 3-ply laminated PVC, this hot tub is built to last. Its robust insulated cover not only keeps the heat inside, but it also acts as a barrier against external impurities. With reduced heat loss, you'll enjoy significant electricity savings, a crucial factor in today's world. What's more, the built-in water purification technology ensures that your water is safe for your skin and clothing. The floating chlorine dispenser further enhances the cleanliness of the water, providing you with a pristine and enjoyable spa experience. But it's not just the performance that makes this inflatable hot tub stand out. It's also the captivating design. The Intex PureSpa Plus features 2 beautifully contoured headrests that elevate the entire experience. And unlike any other inflatable tub, this model excels in delivering indulgent massages with its 140 high-power bubble jets and a maximum temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Easily customize and fine-tune the settings to suit your preferences using the intuitive control panel. And let's not forget the LED lights, which create a serene ambience, perfect for those relaxing nights in. With the Intex PureSpa Plus, you get a complete package. It includes an insulated cover, heat filter blower, hard water system, LED light, 2 filter cartridges, 2 headrests, thermal ground cloth, inflation hose, carry bag, floating chlorine pump, and test strip. Every component is thoughtfully included to ensure your utmost satisfaction and convenience. Indulge in the ultimate spa experience with the Intex PureSpa Plus, the unrivaled choice for those seeking relaxation, durability, and aesthetic appeal. With this unit, you can immerse yourself in luxury and elevate your downtime to a whole new level. Its pros are: it comes with an easy-to-use tilt-adjustable control panel. It includes a patented FiberTech construction for superior structural stability. It has headrests for added comfort, and it features high-density thermal cushioning for insulation and comfort. However, its range of jets means maintenance can be a little more challenging than others on this list. Pampering yourself is easier than ever with the Intex PureSpa Plus hot tub. If you want a spacious hot tub with all of the bells and whistles that won't break the bank, this option from Intex is your best bet. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.